All right, kiddies out there in La La Land. It's new microphone day because, well, I'm going to dedicate this to my good buddy Seth Carrington, who's constantly bitching that the audio quality of my videos is not to his audiophile liking. I do not meet his QA specs. Oh well, we're going to try to fix that. Do a little George Strait. Every time a ship comes in, a hurricane blows it out again. Stormy weather seems to hang around my door. A sweet bird of paradise flew the coop on me last night. Every time it rains, Lord, don't it pour. Got a letter from the IRS. They said, son, you're in a hell of a mess. Our computer shows that you owe 10,000 more. That machine made a bad mistake, 'cause that's more than this poor boy makes. Every time it rains, Lord, don't it pour. Every time it rains, I just wash my car. Whole neighborhood goes swimming in my front yard. And my mother-in-law says she's staying 3 weeks more. Every time it rains, Lord, don't it pour. Got my car out of the shop, 2 blocks down the street it stopped. Went to use the telephone at the grocery store. Walked back to my Chevrolet, they towed that sucker away. Every time it rains, Lord, don't it pour. Every time it rains, I just wash my car. Whole neighborhood goes swimming in my front yard. And my mother-in-law says she's staying 3 weeks more. Every time it rains, Lord, don't it pour. Said every time it rains, Lord, don't it pour. Yay!